Hey you guys, welcome to the Blending with Henry show. My name is Henry. Now during this time, many of us are home and with our families. It's a perfect time to make some delicious and healthy Vitamix recipes made with ingredients that are easy on your pocketbook. So, let's get started. Today we'll be making classic and pesto hummus. Fast and easy to make with fresh ingredients, and it's super healthy, one of my favorite movie treats. The main ingredient in hummus are garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas. Now while you can buy these in the can, I prefer to buy them unprocessed. It's healthier and it gives a better texture. In a saucepan over medium heat, pour in 1 cup of unprocessed garbanzo beans. Now pour in 2 cups of water. Cover your saucepan, and these will take about 30 minutes to cook. To create the hummus recipe, I'm using the Vitamix Ascent A3500. So the first ingredient is the garbanzo beans. Now remember you guys, I started out with 1 cup of garbanzo beans, and now they've doubled in size after boiling them. Now I'm adding tahini. Now tahini is simply sesame seeds grounded into a butter or a paste. Now you guys, about this jar of tahini I have here. Just like peanut butter, the oil separates to the top, leaving with this thick hard paste at the bottom. Now this happens when it's been sitting on the shelf too long. Don't bother stirring it up, it's like clay. Simply dump the entire contents of your Vitamix, set to medium speed, and blend it back to life. Extra virgin olive oil, 1 large garlic clove, fresh lemon juice. This is the leftover chickpea juice, or I call it magic juice, created from cooking the chickpeas. And I'm going to add some water, about 1/2 cup. Now I'm adding ground cumin. Now this is the traditional hummus spice. I'm putting in 2 teaspoons. Coarse kosher salt. Alright, I'm going to snap my lid in place. I'm going to remove the lid plug. And I'm going to use the tamper to help process the ingredients. I'm going to start on low speed. I'm going to gradually increase to the highest speed. Okay, you guys, we're all done, and I'm going to remove the lid so you can see it. That is perfectly smooth, and this is what sets Vitamix apart from other blenders. That's also why I continually use it in my daily life. And now it's time for the pour. Now it's very smooth and smells amazing. Now, just to be clear, you guys, I held back 1/2 cup of the chickpeas as garnish for this demonstration. So my recipe would normally be thicker than this. My traditional stir that I do in all my videos. Now, confession time, I do this to make you guys hungry, okay? But doesn't that look delicious? You can't deny it. Now, it's easy to garnish the plate for movie night. Place some pita chips around the bowl and Middle Eastern style flatbread for dipping. Now you can add some color by sprinkling on your favorite seasonings or spices. Now I'm drizzling some extra virgin olive oil for flavor and to keep the hummus moist so it won't dry out. adding even more color, garnishing with chives, and there you go. Hummus, a simple dairy-free recipe that can be used as a dip or served with meals. You've got to try it. Now you guys, one of my all-time favorite hummus recipes is pesto hummus. So I'm going to add some pesto right on top of the traditional recipe. Now this is actually a vegan hummus made with kale, cashews, and basil. It really smells great. Now I just have to stir it in and watch the beautiful color swirls appear. I'm adding in one more dollop of pesto. No rules here, add as much or as little as you like. Now I would recommend that you add enough so that an amazing green color and pesto flavor really bring life to your hummus dish. And there you go, you guys, classic and pesto hummus. A great movie snack or a side dish. Now just by adding pesto, you're offering more choice to your family with very little work. You've absolutely got to try this. Alright you guys, thank you! And please support Blending with Henry by using the links I provided so I may continue to serve you with more videos and recipes. Now during this challenging time, please stay safe and I'll see you soon.